If you want to call and set up the voicemail on Google Pixel 10a, you need to open the phone app. Once you open the phone app, we can switch to the keypad and you can simply press and hold number 1 in order to speed dial the voicemail. And after that, you should be able to listen to the instructions that you will hear on the call and set up the voicemail. Now, in case you press and hold number 1 and nothing happens, you cannot reach the voicemail like that, then most likely there is an incorrect voicemail number, or maybe there is no assigned voicemail number at all. So on the homepage, we're gonna tap on these 3 lines in the upper left corner and go to settings. Next, in settings, search for the voicemail option, and then in here we should be able to also, if needed, select SIM in order to then find the advanced settings. And then in these advanced settings, tap on setup, and we have the voicemail number, so you can edit it in case it is empty or incorrect. If you don't know what number you need to enter over here, you can try to contact your carrier or service provider and ask them about the voicemail number, or you can simply try to Google that information. Leave a like and subscribe.